Sucker broke my line, brand new line.
The rod or just the line?
Just the line. He broke the rod. But I couldn't get no line in on him enough shit. He take off 40 miles an hour, he's gone, just ripping my shit out. Need about 3 more like that, that'd be some good fillets.
Yeah. We're gonna head off in a little bit, but y'all need at least what, one more to feed y'all 3?
Shit.
Have enough?
At least
Or with
a
that
couple
one?
more.
Oh.
At least a couple of more.
You didn't see Doug's gut?
Come on, Larry. It's up to you, Larry. It's your turn.
Let's go up to the pond.
We are.
Frankie, right now.
You got a hermit crab?
I want a hermit crab.
That's good bait. That's what they're all after.
I want a hermit.
This is bait. You can't have my damn hermit crab, it's bait.